Check 1, 2. How does that sound, me mamengwa? Oh, I don't know. Sounds pretty good to me. I'm sorry. What? That's on your voice. It just cracks me up sometimes. All right. Well, thank you. You're a big help around here. Well, all I can do is all I can do. That's right. You know, that makes me think of the hummingbird. She had a really good attitude too. You know, back in the days of the grandfathers, this is the story of Hummingbird and the Great Fire. One day a great fire broke out in the forest, and all the woodland animals had to run to the river. And there was Wabooz the rabbit, and Acebon the raccoon, and Jagog the skunk, Wagosh the fox. And everybody stood there, and they were just upset as they watched their home burn. And they were bemoaning the destruction of their homes. Everyone thought there was nothing they could do about the fire, except for one little hummingbird. Nenookaasi, she goes right into the river and she picks up a beak full of water and flies just fast into the flames. She gets in there and she drops a little bit of water and then she comes right back. And she didn't get burned because she's so fast, you know. And she dives right back in, gets a beak full of water and goes right into the fire and drops some water. Turns around, comes back. And all the animals were watching her do this and they were like, oh, what are you doing? That's not even going to help. Why do you even want to waste your time? But Nenookaasi, she didn't even pay attention. She just kept on doing it. Finally, Wagosh, he rolls his eyes and he says, what do you think you are doing? And the hummingbird, without wasting time or missing a beat, looked back and said, I'm doing what I can. And Nenookaasi just kept going back and forth. Well, Gitche Manitou, the Great Spirit, he sees this and he's just impressed. So he says, Nenookaasi, because of your good attitude, I am going to give you super speed. And pretty soon Nenookaasi, she could fly faster than any bird. She could flap her wings so fast that she could just hover there in the air. Not even the eagle could do that. And in some ways, Nenookaasi became the most powerful of all the birds. And that is the story of Nenookaasi and Chi Ishkode. That is the story of Hummingbird and the Great Fire. Hey. All right, well, hey, you've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Giga waba min minoa hoa. Hey, yeah. All right, how was that? Oh, not too bad. I think you did a pretty good job. Yeah, thanks. Miigwech.